we're here, we're almost here at the waterfall, and our lovely Grab driver is coming with us because we told him that we would pay him extra if he just waited so that he could drive us back. And he was like, I'll just go check out the waterfall too. So we're coming with him. So there's a safe route and a slippery route where you can actually climb down the waterfall because they have ropes, which looks really fun. We're gonna have to try that. So it's raining right now. We just went across the street from our hostel and to the local food stalls, and we literally found the first restaurant and sat down. You know why? Guess why? Because they said that they have pad thai. Do we eat anything else?
No.
No, we don't. We don't. We really don't. Oh my gosh.
Wow, good?
That is really flippin' sweet.
Oh.
I want to like be like a supporter of that, like a supporter of like. So these are all more just restaurants, I feel like.
Yeah.
So if I want my sticky rice, I have to go back.
Yeah.
When the morning